There he comes with his stick, all proud. Okay, you guys have asked me about asparagus, and if you haven't, you should, because asparagus is delicious. It's a perennial, so once you have it in the ground, you're gonna have asparagus hopefully forever. And a few things important to know about asparagus. When you plant it, you usually plant what's called the crowns or roots. Sometimes you find it in a small pot and it's growing, but it's gonna be at least 3 to 5 years before you get any asparagus that you should pick, because asparagus is really growing off its root. So until it has a good root system, you should not pick it. So if you have it, you wanna wait till pieces are larger than the size of a lead pencil. You know those yellow pencils, those number 2 pencils that we used in school? You want it to be at least that size or larger. So like over here, you see one that's too small, so I'm leaving it, and it's gonna go to seed, which is good, that's fine, because it's so small. This one is 2, that it needs to be left alone, because when it goes to seed, it's gonna get little leaves on it, kind of needles almost, and get tall and bushy, and that's what creates energy for those roots to keep growing. So it really just becomes a plant that's green, and you need to let that go for quite a while. So you can usually start picking it as soon as you see that it's big like this, which is usually, late April, early May, and then you have maybe about a month of picking. And then it's gonna start usually getting bitter, or it's gonna start coming up and wanting to go to seed really quickly. So if you wanna see that, as you can see, these are coming up, and you can see on the tops of them right here that they're going to seed really quickly, as opposed to this one that's really tight and nice. When you see them want to go to seed, that's a good way to know that you pretty much should stop picking them, which is usually close to June, maybe late May. And when I pick them, I just always, where they easily break, just break them off, and then you're good to go. This one I'm gonna leave on. You kind of want to check them morning and night. I know that sounds annoying, but you could be surprised. If in the morning this is this tall, by night it could literally have grown a few inches. So once you have asparagus, what I love about it, you have asparagus for life. You could cook it, you can roast it, grill it. I also love it pickled. No surprise there, I love a good pickle. But you can come out to the garden in a day, get a nice handful. So delicious. You don't have to buy it all the time. If this is really useful for you, make sure to tell me so I know what you like to hear. Keep asking me these questions so I know what quick garden videos you want to post. I love to post these, kind of freeform them, make them rough and fun for you, and know what you love. So share them around, ask me questions, check me on Instagram for stories where I'll keep giving you updates, and grow some asparagus, because it's good.